So no surprise, generative AI has been used to generate content. So we have seen generative AI and AI agents being used to create a rough draft, which an organization might use as a starting point for ideation or collaboration. We're also seeing it get used for production ready content. And of course, when you need to create lots of versions of content for testing and optimization, that's where generative AI is having a real impact for many organizations already. Then, where we're seeing a lot of experimentation and a little bit of adoption for production environments is leveraging that more conversational interface of generative AI so that we can accomplish tasks that involve predictive AI and data and other types of analytics. So, for example, using that interface and a natural language prompt so that I can create a segment or an audience for a campaign, so that I can prioritize my work, or maybe to help me understand a report or a dashboard so that I get recommendations and advice on how I might optimize a campaign or a marketing program. And we're also seeing it under the covers in marketing operations, helping with the way I align budgets or the way I look at calendars to make sure that my campaign scheduling is working the way that it should. Or perhaps I use it to prepare a brief either for my internal teams or that I can easily hand off to an agency so that they can create the assets I need for that campaign. And then looking forward, we're already seeing the capability to generate a marketing workflow so that I can actually replicate a successful campaign or maybe create a new one with parameters that I put into the system. But longer term, we expect that we'll begin to incorporate a lot more customer feedback and voice of the customer so that we can align our campaigns that we're mapping out in our marketing automation workflows with the actual customer journeys. What I'm getting at here is the idea that using that customer data and leveraging AI, we can align more with an outside in view where we're really considering what it is the customer's trying to accomplish when they come to the brand and engage with it.